Hello everyone, I'm the founder of Trading Paradise and today we are going to review FET. It's a really popular AI coin that had a really nice rally and at the moment everybody is wondering what's going to happen to the chart, and today we're gonna give a very straightforward based on data analysis. Um, we are on Binance chart, and as usual we start from higher time frames. So at the moment we are in the monthly chart. uh, First of all, what we do, we start to mark the key levels, and uh, the first key level that I see that could be relevant for us is this one, around 70 73 cents. I'm trying to connect the right bodies. Okay. Why? Because here we had a nice move up with resistance, resistance, and then again resistance, and then we break through. Okay. And then if we have to check what could have been an important support, I don't want to go too lower because uh, wouldn't be relevant for us at the moment, but this for sure is a level, let's say, of support where we resistance here, we bounced here, we bounced with the wick, we lost this level, we went down, then we break through, we pumped a bit, then support, 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 and then we break through. Okay, so based on just monthly chart, we had these two levels. Of course 20 cents now sounds ridiculous, but we have to mark the key levels on the chart. Then what we're gonna check now, we're gonna check simple basic things, in this case the RSI. The RSI in 2021 it was 76 and led to a 77% drop. Now we had RSI last month 88. Okay, and let's imagine we have the 77% drop. Where we would go? We would go in this important support zone that was resistance around 73 cents. Then what we check? We check also our stochastic RSI. Here we had the cross down, and the cross down led to the drop. Again here, cross down, drop, cross down, drop. Here at the moment we had a cross down but not confirmed yet. Is a bit fluctuating, the stochastic RSI. We have to monitor that because it's really important if you want to confirm a possible wider correction. Then we scale on 1 week chart. 1 week chart, we can clearly see that this was clear a zone of distribution, a resistance zone. This could be an area of, let's say, manipulation, okay, where of course the market maker try to fool everyone that the price is going up, but see the upper wicks constantly every week, each week, and the price went down. Okay, the same here, we had a nice manipulation here. Okay, I want to focus just in these zones, and yeah, um, at the moment we are above this key level, and if we check the RSI again here in the same zone, we had very oversold, very overbought territory, and now we had a confirmed cross down. And last time we had a confirmed cross down, we had here a sharp drop of 76%, here a sharp drop of 70%, here a sharp drop of 52%. So it's not, in my opinion, crazy to say that a possible drop between 50-70% could be in play. As you know, in trade there are no certainty, but there are possibilities. And based on this simple evidence, we can clearly see that a possible correction between 50-70% based on the data of the past is absolutely in play. Then what we can also do, we scale on daily chart, okay, and what we see here, we see a pretty important week where I said a lot of liquidity, where usually uh, get filled, at least half of it. Let's say $1.54 $1.54 in my opinion is high likely that is gonna be touched sooner or later, or absolutely possible also the entire week. So in my opinion, the first level that we should watch for a possible bounce and is matching with a possible 50% drop is this area between 135 154. At the same time, we see the market structure, we see that we are forming a kind of double top, no? And yeah, could be possible that if we lose the neckline, so if we starting to go here and we lose this level, it's possible that we are going to go in this area. But at the moment the price is above this line, so at the moment I wouldn't look for any short position, but either I'm not looking any long position at the moment. But if we lose this level, this is around $2.39, could be possible that the price is gonna go lower. And as we can see, we had a very sharp bearish divergence that I remind you can also check RSI divergences with our free trading indicator, open source trading indicator. See, we have a bearish divergence here, then here bullish divergence, okay. And let's also maybe check the Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high. Okay, 0618 is matching nearly with the half of this important lower wick. Then if we take our Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high, 0618 is above these upper wicks. Well, then let's check also this free trade indicator made by us, that it's basically telling us how is the momentum. Basically, when the light green is on the chart, means the bullish there is a bullish momentum. When the color becomes from light green to dark green, means that probably the bullish momentum is over. To be confirmed, the color needs to change to red. So also another thing to monitor in the daily chart is a possible switch from dark green to red. So let's say, for instance, we lose this trend line, this neckline, and the color shift from dark green to red. This could be also a trigger for us that the momentum is changing. Then let's check again weekly, because if I'm not mistaken, also this is a confluence with important lower wick in the weekly chart. So in my opinion 73 cents is really important, because it was, maybe it's more clear in the monthly. You know, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months of resistance here, and then we had a sharp drop in the bear market. Then again we had 1, 2 months, December and January, so December 2023 and January 2024, where we had important resistance here. We closed again below, and then boom. And usually when we have these booms, we have a boom at the same way to the downside. So in my opinion, the first level to watch are here between where we should go, in my opinion, if you lose the neckline of the double top, and we bounce from here, probably, most likely, and then if we lose this level, we're probably going to revisit here, and this could be a very, very, very important buy opportunity for the long term in case the bull market will start or will continue, if you think the bull market is still on. Now, last thing, let's check our trading indicator, Easy Trade Pro. Okay, let's see here. You see we had a nice orange candle here, nice orange candle here, nice blue candle here. Here kind of false signal is in play here, a nice blue candle here, a false signal. Maybe weekly is not really super relevant for this indicator. 5 days maybe is a bit better. Okay, here we had a confluence with a nice blue candle, and let's see in the daily where we have much more trading opportunities. Here you go. Here we had very nice blue candles, and then here no confirmation sell, here one, here two. So possibly we could have taken this trade and first take profit here, second take profit here. I remember, guys, the sell is confirmed when there is at least one candle with negative volume in the next 3 candles from the orange candle. In this case we have 1, 2, 3 candles with positive volume that closing also above, so it's not our case. Here we have the first that closing below the candle, it's okay. Here again closing below the line, okay. Same thing for bullish. The first candle that at least have positive volume closing above the line is our trigger, okay. And this is it. Again, here a nice one. Here we don't have any sell signal. Here again, here we have our first one. Here again nothing. Here again we buy, we sell. Here we sell. Here we buy, false signal. Here we sell, good signal. You know, pretty much 80% of signals accurate. Anyway, in my opinion, it's clear that the market is overheated. Okay, also FET, and would be a great opportunity to accumulate here and accumulate better here. Of course, the price then could continue, especially if we see the price that is going here and stays here, and this level is respected. So in this case, managing the risk, why not? I mean, if we don't lose this level, we're never gonna revisit these levels too. So we have to keep attention also at the bullish case. But at the moment I don't see any blue candle. I see this resistance zone acting at the moment, pushing the price down. So until we don't at least push the price above this orange line and we start to build some and to print some blue candles, I wouldn't risk any long position at the moment. But guys, let me know what you think in the comment, and let me know also if you like this kind of analysis, and see you soon.